Attention all home chefs and tech lovers. If you're looking to revolutionize your kitchen, you've come to the right place. Welcome back to Consumer Picks, where we bring you the smartest, most high-tech kitchen gadgets of 2025. From AI-powered ovens to Wi-Fi connected pressure cookers, these devices will save you time, effort, and energy, all while making sure your meals turn out perfectly every single time. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love experimenting with smart home tech, this list has something for everyone. And if you want to check out any of these amazing gadgets, we've got all the links waiting for you in the description below. Now, let's dive into the future of cooking. Food. First up, we have the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, a kitchen powerhouse that does way more than just toast your bread. This is a 13-in-1 countertop oven that can bake, broil, roast, toast, slow cook, and even air fry. Its Element IQ system is what sets it apart. It has 5 independent quartz heating elements that automatically adjust based on what you're cooking, eliminating hot spots and making sure your food is cooked evenly every time. And with super convection technology, it reduces cooking time by up to 30%, which is a game changer for busy home cooks. Need to air fry some crispy French fries? It's got you covered. Want to dehydrate fruit or jerky? It can do that too. And with its extra large capacity, you can fit a 14-pound turkey in here, perfect for holiday feasts. The built-in oven light and digital controls make it easy to monitor your cooking. And since it's a countertop unit, you don't have to worry about preheating a full-sized oven. If you're someone who loves versatility but doesn't have the space for multiple appliances, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is an incredible addition to your kitchen. Ever wanted to cook restaurant-quality steaks at home? The Innova Precision Cooker brings the magic of sous vide cooking right to your kitchen. Sous vide might sound fancy, but it's actually super simple. You just seal your food in a bag, submerge it in a pot of water, and let the Innova cooker heat the water to a precise temperature. This means your steaks, chicken, fish, and even vegetables come out perfectly cooked every single time. Never overcooked, never undercooked. What makes the Innova Precision Cooker even better is its Wi-Fi connectivity. You can control it right from your phone, adjusting the temperature, setting timers, and even browsing guided recipes. If you're serious about cooking and want to achieve next-level precision, this device is a must-have. Ice lovers, this one's for you. The eCozy Smart Nugget Ice Maker is a compact, stylish, and smart way to keep your drinks cold without dealing with annoying ice trays. This machine can pump out up to 35 pounds of soft, chewable nugget ice per day, the same kind you get at fancy coffee shops or cocktail bars. And here's where it gets really smart. It connects to Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control it with just your voice. For half the price of the GE Profile Opal 2.0, the eCozy still delivers fantastic performance, making it a great choice if you want endless ice without breaking the bank. Meet the Drio Chef Maker, not just an air fryer, but an all-in-one air fryer, steamer, and roaster that brings precision cooking to your countertop. Unlike traditional air fryers, the Chef Maker has a built-in meat thermometer that lets you cook proteins with precision, similar to sous vide, before finishing them off with a crispy golden brown sear. That means juicy steaks, perfectly roasted chicken, and crispy fries, all in one machine. While it's pricier than standard air fryers, the Chef Maker's versatility makes it worth it. If you're looking for a smart appliance that can replace multiple kitchen gadgets, this is a solid pick. Want smart air frying on a budget? The Cosori Smart 5.8-quart air fryer is an affordable, feature-packed option. It may not have all the bells and whistles of the Drio Chef Maker, but it still lets you control your cooking with voice commands and delivers that same crispy, delicious air-fried goodness. It heats up way faster than a regular oven, cooks with little to no oil, and is super easy to clean. If you want a simple, smart air fryer without spending a fortune, the Cosori Smart Air Fryer is a fantastic choice. Love fresh herbs but don't have a green thumb? The AeroGarden Bounty Elite makes indoor gardening foolproof. This hydroponic system lets you grow up to 9 plants at once. No soil, no sunlight needed. It's Wi-Fi connected, so it sends alerts to your phone when it needs water or plant food. In just a few weeks, you'll have fresh basil, lettuce, or even cherry tomatoes ready to harvest daily. If you've always wanted to grow your own herbs and greens but thought it was too much work, this system makes it stupidly easy. If you love cooking meat to absolute perfection, then the Meter Plus is a must-have smart thermometer. This sleek, wireless device takes all the guesswork out of cooking by using dual temperature sensors, one to monitor the internal temperature of your meat and another to track the ambient temperature inside your oven or grill. The magic happens with the Companion app, which not only gives you real-time updates, but also estimates your cooking time and sends a notification straight to your phone when your food is ready. That means no more cutting into your steak to check if it's done. Just set it, track it, and enjoy perfectly cooked meat every single time. For anyone serious about precision cooking, the Meter Plus is a game changer that ensures your steak, chicken, or fish turns out flawless every time. Fire emoji of barbecue. And finally, the best smart kitchen gadget of 2025, the Instant Pot Pro Plus. Instant Pots have been game changers for years, but this model takes it to the next level. Not only can it pressure cook, slow cook, and sauté, but it even supports sous vide cooking. Plus, it's Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control it from your phone. Whether you're making soups, stews, or perfectly tender meats, the Instant Pot Pro Plus does it all. Fast, easy, and hands-free. If you want one device that can replace multiple kitchen appliances, this is the ultimate must-have. And there you have it, the best smart kitchen gadgets of 2025. From precision cooking to automated ice makers, these next-level appliances are here to make your life easier, faster, and more fun in the kitchen. Which one was your favorite? Are you Team Smart Oven, or do you love the idea of a Wi-Fi connected Instant Pot? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget, all the product links are right in the description so you can grab your favorites today. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more smart tech reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest must-have gadgets. Thanks for watching Consumer Picks. We'll see you in the next one. Blast off.